Today we are going to show you how to use the Sound Effects Pro media player. There are many different variants of media players, however they are all simple to navigate and work in a similar way to each other. Let's take a look on how to use the media player. To adjust the mode input, press the mode button to change between the different options. On this particular player, you can switch between TF, lullabies, stories, USB, auxiliary, pre-installed music, Bluetooth, and finally AM, FM radio. To skip tracks, press the skip track button to either go to the next or previous track. To adjust the volume, press and hold the skip track buttons. This will enable you to adjust the volume both up and down. To use the AM, FM radio, select using the mode button. Use the left and right skip track buttons to tune into a station. To connect a device via Bluetooth, switch to the Bluetooth mode. Scan for new Bluetooth devices with your phone or tablet and pair with the media player. To turn the sounds off, simply press the horn. And that's it. That is how to use your media player in your ride-on.